Welcome to my project.com.
Now we discuss about a hybrid wavelet transform and neural network based approach for modeling dynamic voltage current characteristic of electric arc furnace. Our proposed system is electric arc furnace. It is used in all type of metal handling industry for melting the metals. In this process we use the current for melting process because the high amount of current flow produces the high amount of heat. It is critical process because in this process we handle a high amount of voltage. So we control the electric arc furnace by using the radial basis neural network and the discrete wavelet transformer. In this proposed we set the threshold value of different type of status like melting, refining and striking. The DWT or discrete wavelet transformer decomposed the EAF output voltage and current signal at each 1 second and classify the result using the RBFM classifier or radial basis neural network classifier and shows the status of EAF system. Now I will explain the flow diagram of our proposed system, and this is the flow diagram of our proposed system. In this flow diagram, the voltage source to load is the designed by Simulink model, and also the DWT2 result will be done in signal processing. First, to the voltage source. The voltage source is a 3-base voltage source. It is the 100 kilovolt voltage and also 50 Hz frequency. Now the voltage will be go to the step down transformer. The step down transformer step down the voltage from 160 kilovolt to 11.4 kilovolt, and it is the 45 megavolt transformer, and then it is go to the EAF bus. EAF bus is like a transmission line. It will transmit the 11.4 kilovoltage to the another step down transformer. In this step down transformer, step down the voltage from 11.4 kilovolt to 460 volt. Now it is the 33 megavolt transformer. Then the output voltage will go to the EAF load. The EAF load is the electric arc furnace load. It is used in the melting process. Now the output of EAF load voltage and current will be go to the DWT. The DWT is a discrete wavelet transformer. It is decomposed to the EAF load voltage and current and then filter that signal. Now it will go to the RBF classifier. In the RBF classifier, it will train by threshold value and group. The threshold value is the particular value of refining and melting and striking process, and the group is the melting and striking or refining process. Now the RBF classifier classify the DWT wave, composed wave, and it analyze the result. The RBF output result is equal to the group. It will be shows the result, or it is not equal to the group. It will update the voltage and frequency parameter, and then the process will be again. Now our process start from designing a electric arc furnace in the MATLAB Simulink. Now I will explain how to design a electric arc furnace in MATLAB Simulink. First select the 3-base AC voltage source. In the output of AC voltage source will go to connected the BCC bus. Now the output of BCC bus connected to the 45 megawatt transformer. It convert 161 kilovolt voltage to 11.4 kilovolt. Now that 11.4 kilovolt will be go to the EAF bus, and it will connected to the StartCom in parallel because it stabilize the current or voltage. Now the output of EAF bus will be go to the 33 megavolt transformer. It convert the 11.4 kilovolt voltage to 460 volt. Now the 460 volt output will be go to the EAF current, EAF load. Now the EAF will be connected to the ground, and also the source will be connected to the ground. The electric circuit will be closed. Now we try a scope from input of AC source and the output of EAF voltage. Now we store the data of EAF voltage and EAF current in the workspace, and we analyze that current and voltage by using the GUI window. Now we go to explain how to run the GUI. Now I explain how to run our project. First, open the MATLAB and then right click the EAF display.m and run the file. Then the output process GUI will be open. In this GUI, the output display and the status display will be there. Now the system status is ready for the process. Now it's get the EAF voltage and frequency from the output. Now the red color bulb will be shows the system is started. The output display shows the output EAF voltage and output current for ending the process. The start button will be used to start the process. Now the model will be used to open the Simulink model. Now the system off will be used to the off the system. The about button will help to how to run the project. Now I select to start the button for start the process. Then the process GUI will be open. In this process GUI, it is the output display and it is the status display. In the status display, it shows the system status and the EAF voltage and the frequency. And now the green purple shows the system will be ready for the process. Now I press the start button to start the process. Then the process will be start. Now the system status is not there and the EAF voltage is not there and the frequency is not there. Now the process is running. The yellow color bulb denote the process will be running. During the process running, the voltage and the current value are classified by RBF classifier, and the voltage and current value decomposed by discrete wavelet transformer. Now it is the decomposed wave for voltage and current. The classifier classify the decomposed wave and find the system status. Now the system status is melting and it is EAF voltage is 350 volt and the frequency is 60 Hz. Now the melting process is running, so the light shows the process will be running. Now it is the output voltage of melting process and the output current of melting process. It is the EAF voltage and EAF current. It is shows in the output display. Now the melting process is over. The system will go to the refining status. In the status, the EAF voltage is 350 volt and the frequency is 30 Hz, and also the system will be stopped by denoting the red color bulb. Now I select the refine button for refine the system, and also I will start the system again. Now it is the voltage and current value of refining status. Now I will select to refine button for the refine process. After the refining process, the system will be goes to another process. Now the system status is ready. Then I will press the start button to start the system again for another process. Now the process is running again and also is calculate the each output voltage and each output current by using DWT and also the RPF classifier and analyzing the system process. During the second process, the classifier identify the system will be striking. It is denoted in the system status. Now the striking voltage of the system is 350 volt and the frequency is 70 Hz. Now also the system will be stopped because it is the red color bulb will be blink. Now it is the voltage and the current of system striking process. Now we analyze the system for any fault is there. Now again start the process or else off the system. Now I go to start the another process by start the system. Now after clear the striking problem in system, now the system will be goes to ready for another process. Now I will press the start button to start the system again. After start the system, all the process will be over, including the melting process will be over. Now the system will be go to the refining process. Now we select the refine for go to another process or else select the system off to off the system. Now I select the system off for exit the process. Now the GUI will be exit. Thank you.